Okay, we can keep all our money if we just
Yo, what's Eclipse,
We
James?
got Eclipse, Experimentation, and
don't sell.
Assurance.
Eclipse Assurance, let's do it.
That's
That was our run the other day.
No,
that was our run the other day.
No fucking way.
Dude, we
That's a
made
great
1,200
idea.
on Eclipse
Dude, look at
Assurance.
all
Let's go.
look at all the bodies we got. The monsters can't kill all of us.
We made $1,200 on Eclipse Assurance the other day. We
One
gotta do
coil
it.
head and we're all done for.
Nah, bro.
we gotta have
got
we
10
gotta
people
have
look at
a
'em.
designated coil head stare.
That's
God.
me. That's
I'm
my
bringing a
job. I got
shovel,
one.
so.
Bro, I got coil head go.
Coil head stare.
I gotta shovel.
It's dogs.
Everybody
I'm gonna
shut
try
up.
to hit that pipe. Oh, there is no
Don't
pipe.
hit the dogs.
Hey, the dogs are here.
Oh, yeah, don't fucking talk.
It's behind the
Worms
ship
gonna
to
get
the
us
left.
Everyone shut. Yeah, everyone just shut up.
There's a beehive. Oh, there's another one behind the ship too. There's two. I'm getting out of here before these bees kill me, dude. I'm not fucking going. No!
Who's there?
That's me.
Who's that? We gotta get these bees. Go, 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 get them. Oh no, I'm baiting. Go, get it, get it. They're after me.
They're after you?
Yeah, they're after me.
Oh, they're on you
They're
again.
back, they're back.
All right. Oh, run it.
Oh no, they're after me.
Oh shit. This is.
This is.
Oh, are they in the ship? Are they in the ship? Hold on. Hold on. Oh my god. Oh, they're not in the ship. They're next to the ship, but they're not in the ship.
Worm.
Where is it?
Get on the ship. I think we're safe on the ship.
Oh shit. Nope, the bees are on the ship. The bees are on the ship.
I'll try and move the bees. Actually, someone bait them away. I'll move the hive.
Oh, where's the worm? Where's the worm?
It's close. I don't know.
I'm getting in. I'm getting in.
Bees, don't close the door.
Oh! Door's open.
Fuck, fuck. Okay,
Jeez.
both the hives are on.
Okay. Okay, so then we technically have them, and
Well,
we just
someone
need to
has
fly.
take them on.
Yeah, but once we take off, then it'll be okay.
Yeah, when the bees despawn, we just run out and grab them.
Right.
All right, I'm going in.
Hey, you're going. I'll go with you, James. I'm coming with.
Talk behind us.
Okay. Oh, that can steal items, right?
I wouldn't be too worried. Bees?
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Don't let them see you. They don't have a hive, so they're gonna be.
Holy shit.
Wait, they
They're
kill
angry.
someone? Ah! Run! 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 Run!
Oh no no no!
Up after a while.
There's an angry swarm down here, man.
Well, you
They're
can see the
going
ones
all
that
over.
are
They
on the
don't-
nest.
they don't have
but
a
the
hive.
ones that are
They don't
just
have-
out there.
they don't have a hive
Dude, where
anymore.
is it?
Shit.
Hold up,
Oh, I
you
see
can't-
it. It's up there.
It took
Dude,
out
these
James
bees-
though, I think.
Can you take some stuff down?
Dude, I lost like
Yeah, I can
140
take stuff.
values.
Yeah. You got any
Here, I'll
more?
come with.
Okay.
I'll come
I can
with
shovel.
because it's.
Dude, the
There's
bees
two
are
hives on the ship, so
Holy
All right.
Be careful.
Basing us on it. There's the hive.
Zach's going back in.
Dude, the bees are crazy.
Someone's got to make it. Surely.
the bees, man. The bees.
Oh God.
I didn't have any more stamina.
We got
I
killed.
couldn't run
Yo,
from the bees.
Someone died over here.
Bees are crazy.
Dude, what happened?
This bees is literally all
I
bees.
think the bees are responsible for
They're coming. They're coming. The bees, look out!
Bees are the single-handedly most deadly enemy this round.
worm got me.
Yeah, you.
God,
Oh
there's
shit,
the
what's
hive.
that?
There's
Oh,
the
that's a
hive.
dog, right?
Hi.
Hey!
Hey, bastard. What is this?
Oh shit!
I'm dead.
Now worms coming.
Oh, shit. CJ, you're so right.
I can't believe it's chasing me!
They're fucking evil.
He's alive.
He's the last man alive.
Oh, no.
Only one person left. It was the bees.
Those bees came
Alright,
over to
guys,
us at
who
the
gets them?
fire
Is it the
exit. We were
bees?
forced to just run.
Bees.
He's the worm or the fucking.
The bees are on the
Make
right
it
side.
close. I vote
Dude,
bees.
I just saw a pile
definitely
of bodies next to a bunch of shit, and then
It's
the
gonna
bees
be the
came right
bees.
by it,
Grab
bro.
the engine, bro. You're not making any fucking money off of this body.
Someone text him, bro.
Not worth it.
Otto!
Dude, it's a
Otto!
massacre.
Otto!
We gotta see this.
Dude,
Can't wait for him to look at the monitor.
Luigi's just
Oh, shit.
posted up on the...
Is he not gonna
All
leave?
we needed was that $48 sign. Otto!
Leave.
Autopilot! Autopilot!
Grab the hive.
Oh my god.
The autopilot. Vote.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Wait, does he know about the bees though?
He's gonna kill himself.
It's the beehive, bro! It's the bees!
He knows now. He knows.
Where's he going? Dude, what is he doing?
Where is he going?
Get on the ship.
Don't do
Are you
it!
crazy?
We don't need it!
What's going on?
Get on the ship!
Leave it!
Oh my god.
If he doesn't make it. Come on, get
Oh
on.
my god.
Get the
Oh my
bees!
god. He knows the bees are there, right? So he just...
He has to. No, don't
No,
leave
what's he doing?
again.
Not only that, they're so close to the entrance. He can get both of them.
Bro, what? Leave.
Just leave.
Pull the lever!
Okay.
What a clutch!
No,
Go for two. Go for two.
There's one more!
He's going
just
for
gotta
two.
grab it,
Oh my
bro.
god,
Let's
go! Yeah!
Fucking crazy!
Oh my god!
What a legend.
That guy's body's freaking out.
Wow.
His legs in the ground.
Oh my god. Fucking astounding performance. Holy shit.
Astounding. That was an incredible performance.
Yo, when we spawn in, everyone just start clapping. Don't say anything.
Yeah,
Just start
yeah,
clapping. Don't say anything.
No sound.
Just clap.
How did everyone die?
Where's the bees, bro?
Warm up.
Bees killed all of you?
We got hit by 2 worms.
This
The
is
second one got me, bro.
Oh my god, I was
That
just
was
there for a while.
incredible.
Here's some
We got
bodies.
massacred.
Dude, we have
That's
so
truly
much value.